Hey guys, it's Petra here, and today I'm going to show you how to make great pictures in Canva. So Canva is actually an online program where you can make, professional or kind of professional pictures for your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube thumbnail, whatever you need. You can even use custom dimensions or click here on more. So for example, if you're doing a Facebook post, use this. If you're doing a Facebook ad, use this. Excuse me, my voice is gonna go to hell, I guess. Sorry, I guess I'm getting sick or something, but yeah, never mind. So if you're doing Facebook ads, use this. As you can see, there's a different dimension than here, okay? So let's say you're doing Facebook post, click on it. It's gonna open up like this. It's gonna open layouts. So you can use their layouts. Some of them are free and you will see here. Some of them are not free. You have to buy a picture, okay? So let's say you don't want to use this picture. You want to use your own picture. So let's say, where is my picture with my coffee? Okay, let's say I want to use this picture like this, or I would put it as a background. It doesn't look that good. Let's see, like this. Okay, because this doesn't show off that good. And this here, I would go under elements. I would use shapes. I would use this shape. I would make it, let's say, like this. I would go under arrange and put it back. Excuse me, I would put this a little bit more here. And if you want this picture to show off here, you can go under this and change the transparency to, let's say, 60. You can copy this and put it here, let's say, or I would put it like this. I would make back like this, and I would put this here. Okay, that could be a good picture. Could be. I don't like it as much, but it's better than this. I'm going to show you what not to do. This is a bonus because I see a lot of people, excuse me, I see a lot of people do something like this. Like this. I don't know where my voice is going, but excuse me. Let's say something like this. Okay, this is too much. There's a heart, there's a OMG, there's this arrow, whatever. It's too much. This doesn't look good, so don't do it. Always do less is more, right? You heard that. Less is more. So if you want it to be good, use, stuff like this. Okay? If you want to use pictures, let's say you're traveling around, okay? Go under elements and go under grids. Let's say you want to show 4 pictures of you traveling around. Don't worry about this. You're just gonna drag and drop pictures. So this one, let's say it's gonna go up here. Then this one is gonna go here. Excuse me, I don't know what my computer is doing. Yes, okay. So let's say this picture, it has my legs here, okay? And I want to show my legs because they're beautiful, right? No, but I want to show people that, it's me having fun in Greece, blah, 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 right? I would go under crop. I would put this picture a little bit up and I would press this and that's it, see? Then I would post a picture here. I'm sorry about this. I don't know what's happening, but okay. This is, me traveling around. So this was in New Zealand. This was in Greece. I would make a post. Let's say I would be in a company that, that travel company. I don't know which one, I'm not going to say any names, but you're in a travel company, you just write a post about, you know, hey, I'm traveling around, I was in New Zealand, I was in Greece, I had fun, if you want to do this for a living, blah, 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 whatever, right? You could use something like this, okay? Now, you could use something like this so that it pops out more, okay? But don't put too much. This could be okay, but probably not, because it's already too colorful here, okay? So I would probably use all of these pictures, I would turn them in black and white, and I would use this here, okay? It would be better because this would pop out more. Now it doesn't because of all of these pictures being so colorful. So probably this would work the best, okay? So try, play with Canva, you know, there's so much stuff inside. If I would show everything to you, probably it would take me the whole week to show you all of this. You can even post, put text in, okay, let's say this doesn't show off that good, right? I would usually then use shapes again. Where's the middle of it? Okay, something like this. You can change the color, arrange it back. Transparency, I would do it like 60. Then I would write something that makes sense, but I'm not going to do it right now. You can even change the, you know, color here. See, but this doesn't look good. I would probably use black, and that's it. So you just put something, enjoying New Zealand or enjoying traveling or whatever, okay? So just make it plain and simple. Don't put too much on, because people don't like it to be messy, okay? Try and use colorful pictures if you're doing something like I showed you before. If you want this to pop out more, try and use, you know, black and white pictures. Let's see, like this one, I'm just gonna throw a couple in. Okay, this works way better, right? So play with this, you know, check everything out. And the next thing that I'm going to show you is actually if you don't have good pictures. So for example, you have to use pictures where you have, you know, where your face shows, okay, like this, you know, good lighting. Don't use something like, where is that picture? My phone doesn't do good pictures at night, so I did use this picture, but you know, on Saturday or Sunday where there's not a lot of people on Facebook. So I used this one, but I wouldn't suggest it, okay? I would suggest, you know, different pictures of you where your face shows off nicely, okay? So if you want to use pictures like this is a professional picture that I got from these two sites, Pixels and Pixabay. So as you can see, there are a lot of professional pictures. So I'm gonna put a link of this side and of Canva. I'm gonna put it in the description box below if you're watching this video on YouTube. If you're watching it on Facebook, then it's gonna be above this video. So okay, that's all from me. Just play with Canva. It's super easy, it's super simple. Try and, you know, do something that goes together. Don't overdo it. And yeah, that's it. Just have fun, and, you know, cheers to your success.